Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another day, another vlog. I am sitting in a parking lot because I am running errands and doing some other stuff. Anyways, I just came on here to clarify something because a lot of you, I always post my TikTok page in my description when I'm posting my video. However, I don't know if some of you guys follow me over there. No, I know a few people follow me over there because they send me messages and stuff, but there are some people who keep up with me on TikTok. So I made a post the other day and I was saying that I don't believe I am mom material for more reasons than one, and people decided to take me on over my own opinion, which I thought, I mean, I can state how I feel. It's how I feel. It's my personal opinion. It's my personal belief. It's not for you to think whether it's right or wrong or whatever the case may be, because it's my life. Yeah, you can have your opinion on it, but it's almost as if they were saying that I'm this horrible person for saying I'm not mom material. No, I'm sure there are other people out there who probably could relate to what I'm saying. Not everybody is mom material. Not everybody wants to have kids and stuff like that. Now, before I go any further, let me make a disclosure. When I stated that I'm not mom material, I just feel like they took the whole statement and flipped the narrative, because I have a child, and saying I'm not mom material does not mean I do not love my kid. Which was one of the stuff that they were saying. Oh, if somebody's not mom material, they cannot know how to show love, blah 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 blah, yada yada, all kind of stuff that was not even making any sense. Because I have a kid when I was 18, so a part of me feel like I lose out on a lot of stuff because I was busy being a mom. But that does not mean I hate my kid. I love my kid to death. I only have one kid, and anybody who knows me know I'll go above and beyond for my kid. I ensure that my kid has everything that I didn't have. He lived a life that I did not live. My son almost basically lived like a rich kid. Anywhere I am supposed to get it from, I make sure my kid is well taken care of. So me saying I'm not mom material does not mean that I don't love my kid. But anyways, I just decided to make the video anyways to see if there's anybody else who feels the way how I feel, or what are your you guys take on that. When I stated I'm not mom material, what I was saying is that I don't feel like I was brought here to just have a childhood, become an adult, have 3, 4, 5 kids, raise kids, get old, die, and that should all be all my life was about. That's basically what I was saying. All I was saying is that, and disclosure again, there are people who are stay-at-home moms. There are people who have a large family and they love that. Some people have 3, 4, 5 kids and they love kids. They want to be a stay-at-home mom. They raise their kids until they're adults, then they turn around and raise their grandkids and stuff like that. Some people are like that, and that's totally fine. I'm just saying that's not me. I'm just saying I don't feel like my only purpose in life should be having a bunch of kids, raising kids, getting old, and it's like that was my only purpose. That was the only thing I was brought here for. I just feel like there's more to life. There's more stuff that I want to do, should be doing, and my life should not just be revolve around having kids. I don't see where I said anything wrong. That's literally what I was saying. That has nothing to do with if you have kids and the type of love that you show them. But people like to flip the narrative to suit themselves always. So at the end of the day, you can't tell them how to feel or what to do. It is what it is. So basically, I just wanted to see if anybody else on here feels the way that I do. Or even if you disagree with me, I don't have a problem with that, but I just wanted to share my opinion and to see how anybody else feel about the whole situation. All I was saying is that, like I said, kudos to people who want to do that. Everybody else have different things that they want to do in life. Like I said, some people, that's their main goal, that's their priority. They love family and all they want to do is raise kids and grandkids and be home, and that is it. And especially the fact that I felt like I spent most of my young years taking care of my son. I feel like now my son is 19-year-old. There's so much that I want to catch up on, or so much other things that I feel I can go out there and do. So, but what if I had more kids? I wouldn't be able to do that because I have to take care of them. And I'm not saying that you can't live life with your kids, because you can take them places and stuff like that. But what about personal time? What about me time? If you have a certain amount of kids, or if you have young kids, you can't just get up and be like, okay, I'm going to go away for the weekend, or I'm going to do this, or I'm going to do that, because you have to take your kids into consideration. You have nobody else to take care of them. So you don't have that choice. And that's all I was trying to say. Like, when do you get to live? If you know what I'm saying. When do you get to live? Because even if you're going to go on a vacation and you're taking your kids, the vacation is still going to kind of revolve around you and your kids. You can probably go away for a day because you have somebody to stay with your kid, or whatever the case may be, but it's still not the same as being able to get up and be like, okay, I want to go away for a few days. I want to just have some alone time. Even in marriages, I feel like sometimes people feel like that even in marriages, because when you're married, it's not about you anymore. You have to take the other person into consideration. Well, if you're in a healthy marriage, it's not like you can get up and just be like, I'm going on a vacation tomorrow by myself. No one else is invited. No, because at the end of the day, if the person does the same thing, you would think that it's suspicious or something is wrong with that. So basically, that's just the claim that I was trying to make. I'm just saying that I don't think I'm mom material, in the sense that I could never have a bunch of kids and all I'm doing is just raising kids. And no. First of all, I even tell my son, when you decide to have kids, ensure that you know what you're doing, because my life is not going to be around raising grandkids and stuff like that, like I see some people do. I will love my grandkids to death. I will spend time with them and stuff like that, but I'm not going to raise your child. I already did my job raising you. It's your job to raise your child, and to raise your child to the best of your ability, like I did. It's not fair for parents to be raising kids and then turn around raising grandkids. I just think it's a no. People of other culture like the idea of doing so, and that is okay. I personally just does not think that that's what I want to do. So I just want to know if that makes me a bad person, or if I said something wrong, or what are you guys' take on it. It's not going to change how I feel, because like I said, I don't think I'm mom material. I don't think I'm here. I don't think I was brought on earth just to raise kids. I have life to live. There's so many other things I want to do, want to try. And that's basically what I said. I said what I said. I know people who don't even want to have kids because, one, they might just be selfish people. Not everybody wants to be responsible for another human being. Some people don't like kids, which I used to judge people and be like, how can you not want to have kids? At least one kid. But that's how they feel. So I changed my mindset even about that as time goes by, because I can't tell somebody how to feel. If they feel like they don't want to have kids, or whatever the case may be, that's just how they feel. So anyways, guys, I've come to the end of the video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and leave your comments down below and tell me how you feel about the situation. Thank you. Bye.